Okay guys, so I have a pretty big update for you, and I'm very happy that I've been browsing my subscriptions feed on YouTube because I remembered that Minecraft functions and data packs exist. So I've already got it done, and basically I've made this in less time than what I showed you in the previous episode, because in the previous episode I was doing everything by hand, and here I just generated the functions file to create this block of TNT. By the way, it was upside down, and as you can see, this is wrong. This is the Cyrillic letter E, because it's the other way around. I'm gonna get it fixed, but for now I'll just show you what I have got. And this is basically the entire site finished. And getting the other sides is going to be really easy now because, as I've said, when I run my program, it generates the file to be able to generate this, the functions file. And when I want to generate a new big block of TNT, I just run this command. And there we have it. And it's so simple. Now, all of the commands are here. As you can see, first it creates this big block of TNT, and then it puts the item frames with maps on them on the blocks of TNT. So this is just one side, and here there are, let's see, 25,000 characters. I think the maximum is 65,000 in one functions file, so I'll have to split it. But I think I can run other functions from another function file, so I should be able to generate it in one single command. So we'll see how that goes, but for now just one side is finished. There are 256 item frames, and I'm gonna need to generate 5 times more than that to be able to cover everything. But so far I have, let's see, four blocks with one side. That's basically almost one block with full sides, and I have 58 FPS. That's not too bad. Maybe I can modify some of the settings and to be able to run this, but so far so good. Let's set it off. So again, we have to click in between and we set it off. This is gonna set off this one and this one. You know, so far so good. It's around 80 FPS right now. Right, well, and in case you're wondering, oh, and it set off that as well. In case you're wondering, what the program does right now is it generates everything from scratch. So you just give it the texture and it will generate the block. And you just choose the filling of the giant block. So in this case I chose TNT, obviously, but I could as well just change it to any other block. Actually, let's do that right now because it's so easy to change it. So what is a good block? It doesn't really matter. Let's just change it to stone. So instead of TNT, we're gonna write stone. And we need to reload. And we're gonna run the command, which is gonna take a while because the TNT is taking up all of the resources. And as you can see, there is stone. It's so simple. Alright, and I guess this will be the final episode, unless I have anything else to show you, but I think at this point the next video is gonna be the one that I publish on my main channel. Yeah, so that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to make more videos like this. Let me know if you find them interesting, and I'll see you on my main channel. And also on this channel, because I'll probably upload here as well. You know, when you're making something and you make the final version, you name it the final version, and you keep making final versions after that, like final or really final. Well, this is what's happening here. Because the video turned out to be quite short, this one that I'm making, that you're watching right now, is just about 5 minutes long. I'm going to show you my progress. So I just got my breakfast, and while I was eating, I finished the program. So now this is the result. How does that look? See, this one is a little bit broken. I need to generate it again. So actually, I don't know which side this is. That's the problem. So I'll figure it out later by myself. So this is correct. This is correct. This is... I need to turn it the other way around, and I need to move this here. Correct. I'm not sure if this is correct. I don't actually know the direction that the top is in, but I guess it doesn't matter too much. For the bottom is fine as well. So, as tradition, we are gonna blow it up. M in between. Set it off. One thing that I don't like is that the item frame pops off and it kind of gives it away. Because I wanted to make people guess how I made it work. But we'll see, maybe I can hide it somehow. Or maybe if I fly away quickly, you cannot see it. But we'll see. And there we have it. And as you might have noticed, all of the sides are the same. So what we're gonna do now, and we're gonna do this together, is we are going to fix this and find the textures for the bottom and the top and put them into the functions file and generate a new and generate the proper command. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Top, side, bottom. That's perfect. We're going to copy that and we are going to go into the giant block folder. And we're just going to rename it. I've already prepared everything before the video, so I just need to run the command. And in theory, it's going to finish. Okay, and we can actually figure out which side is wrong. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Replace these functions and reload them in the game. Okay, let's start from 5. Oh, and the problem is that I moved, so I'm not sure if that's gonna work. Oh, let's see. Yeah, this is fine. Look, it's gonna push me every way. Oh, this time it didn't push me, so maybe this is fine. Oh, you see, this got added just now. don't know where that is. Oh. Block 0. Also, something that I've noticed is that actually you can put much more than 65,000 characters in the functions file. So that's interesting. In the other command there was 152,000 and it still worked. Oh, this one is same. So I did something wrong. Hang on a sec. Okay, well, I don't know yet why it happened. In the meantime, let's figure out which direction is the broken one. Then generate here. I think it's at the top or at the bottom. Okay, it's not 2. Okay, it's 3. 3 is the broken one. And we need to move it back minus 1x. Okay. I will fix that and I will get back to you. Okay, let's see the third side. Okay, I fixed the third side. Well, almost. I have to turn it the other way around. Yeah, I forgot about that. What about the top and the bottom? Oh, well, I don't know why that's happening. Okay, let's try to fix it.